In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Charles Schwab PIN. Whether you've just received a new debit card or want a stronger code, I'll walk you through the process clearly and safely so you can update your PIN with confidence. First, a quick but important note about security. For your protection, your current PIN is never displayed anywhere by the bank. If you can't remember it, don't worry. There are safe ways to reset it without seeing the old one. The most common and reliable way to change your PIN is by phone. Grab your Schwab debit card and call the number printed on the back. You'll connect with an automated system or a representative. Listen for options like change PIN or set new PIN. Have your card handy because you'll be asked to enter your card number and you'll go through a short identity verification step. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter a new 4-digit PIN and then confirm it by entering the same digits again. Take your time here and make sure both entries match. This method is straightforward, widely available, and designed to get your PIN updated securely. If the phone system doesn't work for you, or if you've forgotten the PIN entirely and can't pass the prompts, reach out to Schwab support. Explain that you need to reset or change your PIN. In some cases, they may send a secure PIN mailer to the address on file. This is a sealed letter containing a new system-generated PIN. It's a common fallback and is useful when online or automated phone options aren't cooperating. A few quick tips to help you choose a strong, memorable code. Your debit card PIN is typically 4 digits. Avoid obvious numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, zeros, or anything tied to your personal details, such as a birth year or part of your address. Steer clear of repeating digits and simple sequences. Pick something you can remember without writing it down, but not something others could easily guess. Never share your PIN with anyone, even if they claim to be from the bank, and don't enter it on unknown devices or sites. When you're out, shield the keypad with your hand so no one can see what you're typing. That's it. Call the number on the back of your card to change your PIN or contact support if you need a reset or a new PIN mailer. Keep your code private, choose wisely, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching and take care of your security.